to you when it comes to the debacle right after what has been faced by the Congress party in the recently held assembly elections of Haryana and Maharashtra. While the trust in the Congress led by Rahul Gandhi seems to be going down, the chorus to make Mamata Banerjee now the face of the India bloc seems to be going up. Now, right ahead of today's proceedings of the Parliament winter session, opposition MPs held a protest in front of the Makar Dwar in Parliament premises on the issue of Adani. And guess what happened when it comes to the same bloc leaders of the opposition? The TMC MPs decided to give it a skip. Sources in the TMC says the party leadership has identified 5 issues that it wants to be raised and to be discussed in both houses of parliament, and they have been raising the issue with the opposition parties as well to allow the house to function. Now these issues are like of inflation, of unemployment, of deprivation of housing and other funds for the state of West Bengal, fertilizer shortage and violence in Manipur. Now missing from the agenda is the Adani indictment. In fact, when the TMC MPs are concerned, they too have been distancing themselves from the other India bloc leaders for quite some time, and their members have not been attending, at least when it comes to the daily strategy meeting of the opposition and also during the current session of parliament. Has the Adani issue widened the cracks within the opposition bloc? Let's listen in to what Kirti Azad has to say, the MP there, as far as who, according to him, should be the face of the opposition bloc.
Mamata Banerjee is the tallest leader of India. She is the one. Every time Modi came, tried to insult the people of West Bengal, tried to insult the culture, the tradition of West Bengal, tried to insult Mamata Bandyopadhyay. Every time she became stronger, and she is the only one who has stood strong. So obviously she shouldn't be the leader of India.
Well, let's get in a word from Sabyasachi, who's joining us live right now. Sabyasachi, we have seen, as far as in the parliament proceedings are concerned, when it comes to the opposition bloc, including that of the TMC, they don't seem to be on the same page as that of the Congress and others.
Well, that's right. See, the Trinamool Congress from the beginning of the winter session, in fact, they have not been joining the parliamentary floor leader meeting, which is being called by Mallikarjun Kharge every single day. In fact, from day one, the Trinamool Congress is on the view that they are going to push for the people-centric issue and the state-centric issue, and they are not going to be a part of the Congress agenda. Now, as per the Trinamool Congress sources, the sources tell us that the Trinamool Congress won't be pushing for the agenda of the Congress, and they won't be putting a stamp of its approval just for the Congress agenda. So this is what the Trinamool Congress sources have told us. In fact, several leaders from the Trinamool Congress, be it Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar, in fact Kirti Azad, all of them are the view that the Congress party needs to change its strategy as far as the parliament is concerned, because they cannot keep on raising the same issue again and again and create disruption in the house and not let the other political parties have their share of discussion in the house. So strong message from the Trinamool Congress is being put across to the Congress party that there need to be a change of guard, there need to be a new leader who should lead the India Alliance, and the Congress big brother role has come to an end after its result in the state of Maharashtra and in the state of Haryana. It's time for a change, and the Trinamool Congress have been endorsing
within the India Bloc Alliance has raised questions with the other parties who are part of the same bloc. It seems that only not the TMC is raising such questions. Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us. We also talk about how the ally Samajwadi Party has also been reacting on the position that Congress party seems to be leading in the opposition. It seems that it is fed up of constant disruption on the Adani issue and snubbing Rahul Gandhi. Akhilesh's MPs have said that the Adani issue is not as big as Sambhal violence, and this is something that Akhilesh Yadav himself has raised.
अडानी के ऊपर जो चर्चा है वो कैपिटलिज्म के विषय में आती है और वो एक महत्वपूर्ण चर्चा है, उस पर भी विचार होना चाहिए। लेकिन फिलहाल हमें लगता है क्योंकि हिंसा हुई है, 5 लोगों की जानें गई हैं, तो समाजवादी पार्टी के ज्वलंत मुद्दा, सबसे अहम मुद्दा प्रायोरिटी पे इस बार अभी फिलहाल संभल है।
Different political parties, different ideologies, different issues that they want in the House to be debated and discussed, and it seems that the Congress party is bulldozing them with these protests, with the disruptions constantly that has been seen for the last 1 week in the floor of the House, or rather on the floor of the House. Now, when it comes to the first reaction that is now coming in from the Congress party side, Shashi Tharoor, the MP, says that he was asked whether it is now time for Mamata Banerjee to take place as the face of the opposition bloc. Here's how he has responded.
demand that has risen from the TMC, saying that Mamata Banerjee should be the leader of India Alliance. How do you react to this?
Look, this is way above my pay grade, as they say in the military, not my issue.
The BJP on the other side has been taking on Rahul Gandhi, saying that leave the people, even the parties in your own alliance don't seem to support Rahul Gandhi, or though they don't even take him seriously. This is how the BJP seems to be mocking the Congress party.
टीएमसी ने बार बार कहा है कि ममता बनर्जी को ही होना चाहिए लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन, बल्कि इस बात को तो उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने भी कहा है। तो अब ये उनको सोचना है, ये उनको तय करना है कि उनका लीडर कैसा हो, क्योंकि टीएमसी ने या फिर उद्धव ठाकरे की शिवसेना ने बाकायदा इसका ऐलान सबके सामने कर दिया है कि उनको कोई भी विश्वास नहीं है किसी भी तरह का राहुल गांधी जी की योग्यता पर और उनकी काबिलियत पर और उनकी लीडरशिप एबिलिटीज पर।
Right. Well, Sabir